Hello everyone, peace be upon you. Welcome to our AutoCAD electrical training course. We are offering in this course you will learn about how to create electrical layout design for a residential building. Before we start our class, I want to declare I am not your teacher. We will just try to gather our knowledge by sharing our experience and by exercise. In this sharing time, if you learn something, that is success for me. Now we can see a AutoCAD workspace. This total area's name is workspace, but it's different from default. In here have not any toolbar, ribbons. So how we open our all toolbars? Just press our keyboard Ctrl and 0. Press Ctrl 0. Amazing. We can find our toolbar, ribbons, etc. Okay. Today our first topics we will create and manage our workspace. A workspace is designed as a customized arrangement of toolbars, menus, and windows palettes in the AutoCAD electrical environment. Workspaces are required when you need to customize the AutoCAD electrical environment for a specific use, in which you need only a certain set of toolbars and menus. For such requirements, you can create your own workspace in which only the specified toolbars, menus, and palettes will be available. By default, the AutoCAD electrical workspace is A, C, E, D, E, and 2D drafting and notation. As usually, when we open our AutoCAD electrical 2021, we can find this workspace. It is default option, but you can choose any other predefined workspace for the shortcut menu that will be displayed on choosing the workspace switching button in the status bar. So, how to create a new workspace? To create a new workspace, invoke the toolbars and windows palettes that you want to display in a new workspace. Next, select the Save Current As. As an option from the drop-down list in Windows Workspace toolbars, the Save Workspace dialog box will be displayed. Now need enter the name of the new workspace in the name edit box. Suppose we need a new workspace whose name is ELD or OAK. ELD for residential or just resident. Okay, now click on save. Okay, the following characters are not supported, so it's need to be changed. Okay, now click on this status bar. You can see in here ELD or OLD residential. A new workspace will now be the current workspace in the shortcut menu. Now need modify this workspace. So it is very important how to modify workspace. AutoCAD Electrical allows you to modify workspace setting. To do so, choose the workspace switching button from the status bar. A flyout will be displayed. Choose the workspace setting. The workspace setting dialog box will be displayed. All workspaces that are created are listed in My Workspace drop-down list. You can make any of the workspace as my workspace by selecting in the My Workspace drop-down list. You can also choose the My Workspace tool from the Workspace switching toolbar to change the current workspace to the one that was set as My Workspace in the Workspace setting dialog box. In here, do not save change to workspace or automatically save workspace change. I want automatically save workspace change, and I need move up it and separate ELD or OLD residential option. Now click on OK. When I click this workspace switching, we will see ELD or OLD residential are separated from another workspace option. Now we will use project manager option. Maybe you are known this option, but for our work or project work, we create a new project manager. The project manager as shown in here. How is it open? Click on project and manager and add new project. Now need write our project name, so we will write our project name ELD or OLD, or OLD of residential. Okay, location where we want to save this project. for easy to find out, I save this project in our desktop. Then okay, or if you need change or create it properties, click on here, but I don't describe details this option because I want to very fastly start my main training course. Okay, AutoCAD electrical, any problem? AutoCAD electrical, maybe any problem. Okay, click on OK. Now create a new project, ELD or OLD of residential. ELD, that's mean electrical layout design, or OLD, that's mean one line diagram of residential project. Now when we see in here have a drawing, but this project have not any drawing, so now need save our project and add in this project option. Okay, Control S, desktop, write this name ELD or OLD of residential. Okay, now click on save and click this right button and add drawings. Desktop, ELD or OLD resident, which saved recently. Now add this. Okay, updating, and it will be update, or click on refresh button. Then we have our ELD or OLD resident add into this project. Now click on double click in here. Suppose we have another drawing, open our another drawing and have not this our project. It is very easily open it. Just double click on here, open our assigned project, and all our workspace already automatically saved in this file. Suppose we will add another toolbar, just like toolbars. Suppose we want to add ACE main electrical toolbar. This toolbar is shortcut menu of our electrical cables and others, and we are saving this. Okay, this workspace is 2D drafting and annotation, and when we click on our suppose when we click on our ELD or OLD residential project, we get our previous workspace. So it is very user free opportunity. Now this time your exercise time. You just pause this video and your exercise, and after your exercise you will come back our training. Then we are start our again. Okay, I hope you have completed your exercise. Now I describing the contents this course. We have divided this course three parts. Number one, how to create legends, ELD drawing, and finally create SLD or OLD as per a residential project. For our future concern, I just open my completed file for describe your understand. These are legends for our project. We will use our legends. As normal AutoCAD in previously we created this type of symbols, these types of sketch created in generally, but AutoCAD Electrical has some new features where we created these symbols in our icon menu, and we use these symbols very easily into our drawing work. And another features we will describe step by step, and when we create our whole project we are very easily understand all these topics. So again I want to speak faithfully. If you complete this total course, I hope you will understand many more new features from AutoCAD electrical option. So no more today. Dear participants, welcome today. Our previous class we discussed about how to create project file, where we created a new project file and add this drawing which name is ELD or OLD of residential building. This file is a residential building design, where a architect engineer design a floor plan. This plan is ground floor plan and this is first floor plan, and second to fourth floor plan is it. Now this file organization process describe this class. Firstly, this is very easy process. We are open a new drawing file and copy from this main file. For copy, we know press the keyboard Ctrl+C and paste, press the Ctrl+V. Then we command Z enter A enter, Z enter A enter, where our total drawing open in our workspace. Then save it, Ctrl+S. My required file name is 001 ELD. Then save. Same as open new file and copy from our main file, Ctrl+C and paste in here, Ctrl+V. And save. Our required name is 002 ELD. Then save. Again open a new drawing file, copy from main file, and paste. Then save. This file name is 003 ELD. Okay. Now add these drawings from desktop and add. After updating, we shown in here our project file has added 3 drawing, 1, 2 and 3. So our file is organized. When we open 1, 2 and 3, we can find our file easily. This is project file organization. Okay. This part we will discuss about legends. Display shown in here a residential building. Previously we discussed about this design is ground floor plan of a residential building. A drawing should show intent and in the most conscious manner. Time, money and argument will be saved if the proper information is placed in the legends. So legends is very important. Now this floor plan we put simultaneously HDB board, DB board, switch board, outlet socket, fan, light, etc. etc. Too often the person in the field does not see the written specification but see the drawing and the legend. If the symbol for a floor conveys outlet appears, for example, the work shows that the symbol means but not which of the 50 available combinations is required unless it is specially stated. So these legends very important I talking about again, and now displayed shown in a symbol of electrical fittings and appliance table where description and symbol are shown. This symbol is a main controller main distribution board, and this is sub distribution board which is called SDB, and this is MDB. And another symbols are different equipments, and when we use all our symbols in our design, and when we create another page and declare a table which is called legends. For legends we again create a new drawing page, and we will draw this symbol. It is very easier for any type of users, AutoCAD users. Simply we can draw this symbol. Okay, and write the symbol name, I hope all our participants are expert in AutoCAD. So our next homework is create a electrical legend table as like as this table, but no need all our symbols, we need only our required symbols.